Oh, is it choked? I think I'm choked right now.
Oh, yeah.
That might up, down, I don't know. Try it without it. Yeah. Okay. Let it warm up a second and then switch it over.
You actually pretty sure you gotta wait for that to heat up.
Yeah, let it warm up a little. Now I think it's choked up. No, not yet. Half choke. It sounds kind of good. Let it idle for a minute. Get some, cause there's gonna be like wood, metal shavings and shit in there. So get that moved in there, and it'll pull the brake oil, or the shipping oil right out. It runs! Probably because we didn't put the engine together. Was this up or down? No, still not, man. What the hell? But I mean, will it kick? Well, there's an opportunity to try to kick it. Brake. Oh, that was tight. Brake and... Oh, yeah. This thing is kind of... Hold on. I mean, we don't have anything tightened yet. It's bigger feeling than I expected. To be honest, I expected it to be a little smaller. What could I tighten this up?
Imagine you want a pit one.
There's 50cc, like her bike.
Yeah.
I think Serena will be able to ride this though, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
Kind of like, it's like you'll be able to ride it,
Maybe the Veda.
but you'll be able to ride it even
Serena
with me.
can ride it for sure. The Veda might even be pulling up. Now it's warming up.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, I have the front brakes, that's probably good. Let's go ahead and install that front brake then. Install the front brake, drop the oil. I need something to pry that front brake, especially since I just squeezed it like a fucking moron. Oh yeah, that's locked right up. Son of a bitch. Ah, that was dumb. Whoever's idea that was fucking stupid. Ah, where'd that spacer go? I didn't even have a spacer in or nothing. I was gonna try to squeeze it. Nope, we're not squeezing it by hand. Where's my knife?
Right behind you. Right here.
Yeah, man, we'll do it this way. And we'll shove that in there. chain. A little different. Definitely need to adjust the chain and some other things, but try it. Keep in mind it's braking, so not full anything. And we need to adjust the shit out of the chain. But just a quick test ride up and back will be fine, I'm sure. Only at 4-speed, so it's weird for neutral to be all the way down, huh?
Yeah, right. I naturally pushed down. I was like, huh, I guess it's up.
Yeah, we definitely got to do something about this chain first. I mean, look at that.
I wonder about that gas though, if you had it tipped this way, if it would. No, I don't know why it was doing that.
Yeah, it was leaking gas the first time, but we'll look into that. I do have another carb to put on, but I'm going to see what the stock carb can do. Seems really boggy. So it feels like this thing would be awesome on the trail, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We'll find out.
It is leaking a little bit right there.
Okay.
When I do that.
Oh, we'll figure it out. We have a new carb.
Right there.
Yep. Got a performance carb for it already because it was like 20 bucks. Yeah, we gotta adjust the rear axle a lot. Look at how bad that fucking chain is. I shouldn't ride it at all until I get that chain fixed. So, what'd you do? Kill switch it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not used to having a key. Yeah. Alright, there it is. Now we wait for a couple more things. We wait for the MCO to arrive, see if we can get it to be street legal. And we're going to also get the carb figured out, get everything adjusted, make sure it's right. We just wanted to test it out real quick. We're going to see what we could do with it. And there's going to be a lot of videos coming, like who's it for, how's it perform, when it gets broken in. We'll do a top speed video. Anything anybody requests, we'll do that. We'll do a full-blown review of it. Obviously we've got less than a kilometer on it. What that is in miles, I don't know, because we can't get it into miles yet. So we'll do a video on how to do that. We'll do a full review, or a full reveal of it, with all the stickers removed and everything like that. But as of right now, I'm super excited. We'll do a side-by-side comparison with that and the LaFawn Expect, and go over the differences, where it's better, where it's worse, all that, you know, just a comparison, and as they are. So as of right now, that's gonna be it because of time constraints, and I got other things to do today. So we're gonna leave it at that right now, and we're gonna call it good. If anything else you want to see, let me know, and we'll do what we can to get that video for all the answers. We're gonna get all of the questions answered. So if you have questions, be sure to comment them and let me know.